Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to activate the reversing camera and also the night vision modes on the Comand NTG4. Now of course if you're going to retrofit this you actually need to purchase the parts and actually have them fitted to your car before this is going to work. Otherwise you're just going to end up with a blank screen. So to start with, access the engineering mode. Now if you're unaware of how to do this, please check my video with instructions. Within the engineering mode, navigate to 7.7 head unit parameters. Now if you look at the top of the screen, it will say how many pages are in this menu, so you need to keep scrolling through. Keep scrolling all the way down until you reach the third page and option 20, which is rear view camera. Click on this and access the submenu. Within it, scroll down to the SRVC option and select it. Now ignore the other two options as they will not work with the original camera. With this option selected, simply keep pressing the back button until you're all the way back at the main engineering mode screen, and then scroll down and select the end button. Pressing end will return you back to the normal screens on the head unit. Now as long as you've wired everything up correctly and made sure that all the connectors are in right, as soon as you select the reverse gear, the screen will automatically switch to the reversing camera. So now moving on to activating the night vision, again within the engineering mode, repeat the process for the reversing camera and navigate down to 7.7 head unit parameter. Within this menu, scroll down until you reach the fourth page and select Night View. Select this menu and click on Installed. It's simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. If you haven't already, remember to click on that subscribe button so that you stay notified for all my future videos. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.